everyone. Today is a wonderful day, and I hope everyone is doing great. Welcome to Champions TVGH, home of creativity.
I welcome everyone here to this channel, Champions TVGH. There is home of creativity. Say it again, home of creativity.
Hello fans, today I'm going to teach you how to earn money online using FleshMulla. And this FleshMulla, I've already made a video about it, whereby you are to watch videos and all that stuff. So let's begin with this tutorial. First of all, log in, go open your web browser. If you're using Apple, if you're using Apple, you log in with Safari. If you're using Android, Opera Mini, Phoenix, and Chrome. There are lots of them. So after opening your web browser, you type this website, FleshMulla.com. Okay, flesh, not fresh, FleshMulla.com. So okay, so next, so as it's loading, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, comment for more, and I'll thank the Talk Tech for introducing us here. So I'm a new participant like you. I'm now coming to register my account. And if you already have your account, this is what you just type in your email address and password. But I'm now coming to register, so I'll sign in. You clicking here. You see here. So sign up or create an account. So you see what I'm going to do. Now let's continue with it here. It's simple, just need to have a nice data connection. So you type your name. So I'll use my brand name. Okay, use my brand name. You see, okay. So then the email address, I might clean some of the place here. Then my country, I'm a Ghanaian. I'm in Ghana. Yeah, see. Then my phone, my mobile number, my telephone number. All right. So it's not anything that someone cannot do. It's simple. Now I'm going to create my password. And for my password, I'm not sure, no one is going to see it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I've typed my first password. I think I'll confirm the password, then I'll be done with my account. So please stay tuned. I'm typing a password, that's why there is no voice here right now. So I'm done with my password. Wow, it's FleshMulla. You see, let me tell you something. This site is similar to what? This site is similar to Elite Cash, Pac-Miner. But Pac-Miner, they were fraudsters. You see, so they were scammers. I don't use fraudsters. They were scammers. So Elite Cash. I've forgotten this one. There are a lot of affiliate marketing site that you can earn money with them. So you see, pay 60 cedis. You need to pay 60 cedis just like you are purchasing an investment. You see, yeah. So I'm paying with my MTN. To this number, you see, 0535 73 70 74. All right. So I'll go and make payment, then I'll continue the video for you. Okay fans, I'm back. I've sent the money to them, and I'm now coming to follow the continue with the what. But see, mind you, I'm using 5G network here. You can see here it is. The airplane mode is on. If you want to know how I did it, just you can check through my previous videos. You are going to see the so you saw the so I'm back to the site. So I'm done. I've sent the money to them. So submit your transaction details, full names. That's why I'm confused of. So here in the full name, I'll use my mobile money, the name I use for my mobile money account, you see, and the transaction method. You can decide to use MTN, M-Pesa, like a lot. So I use MTN. Yeah. And for them to believe, I need to continue. I don't want to make the video really long. Yeah. So this is the name, my phone, my mobile money name, number, name. I don't even know what to say. So I use MTN, and for proof sake, I screenshot the money that I sent. So I'm coming to drop. I screenshot after sending them. I need to screenshot it to them so that they'll believe that we sent the money. So here it is. So done. See, I'm upload. So you can see payment of 60 cedis to Ibrahim Mohammed. Yeah, it's uploaded. So let me make sure the file uploads completely. I don't want it to be any circumstance whereby I will send no, and I don't want you to fall in that trap that people invested their money in pack mine and no. So I'm done. I've clicked on the submit tab. Yeah, I've clicked on it. So payment was submitted. Your payment has been successfully submitted and currently run. So yeah, you let me click on the submit again. See, I'm troublesome. You see, so your previous payment is pending processing. Please wait for further updates. So you need to wait. You need to wait for them to check it. But it's not that we are talking about money here, so you need to wait a while. You see, so let me click on the submit for them. As the more I continue to click on submit, after that you need to wait a while. You see, so after you are done, open your web browser again, then launch the app. FleshMulla.com. So I just opened it and just look at this. So these are the tags. I've already explained it in my recent video, my recent video. So this is the dashboard. This is my claim bonus. Here's my withdrawal. You see, advert, quiz, and spin. You can even spin a wheel. Wow. So let me copy my referral link in. So right now I'm having 0 Ghana cedis in my account. TikTok I'm having 0. Yeah. YouTube I'm having 0. And what again? Pending withdrawal 0. Drawn account, like everything 0, bro. So let me copy my referral link. So check under my description and use my referral link to register. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe sharp.